Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President Barangba ko All India Trinamool Congress ubak Charles Pingrop habakren kilat patai kubur mentakasi ke khat santrik unok pra arhajar arpuar uloang bakan dan kertong menteri rangba nak TMC habakren halor ke jingkeli baka kerteng jong Dr. Mukul Sangma ke sawah hapok ke jingelang jong ke TMC hatura ubak Charles Ïeng napok Shong badong bu Abhishek Banerjee ula kedawi kinong elam jong ni ke jela hendai uklem kedawi ke kerteng jong nu ru ubak Charles ula benrap da kabaong ngashong hajanu Abhishek bad ukhlem kedau bakan dan kertong menteri rangba hendai lada kaseng kasngo bagi dan kam ya ubriu ban Ïeng shwa ka election tang kaseng kala ban rai bad ngim dan kanu ke jing persha.
Let me be clear on this point. He had mentioned that the son of the soil, we are all sons of the soil, but he did not mention any name. It was misinterpreted by the press. Because I was sitting next to Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, our National General Secretary, and he never mentioned that there will be any chief ministerial candidate. But if the party feels that they should have a face before the election as chief ministerial candidate, it can be the call of the party, and none of us have any objections to that. But what was being impressed was because of the people, they were thinking that, oh, because it is a party from Bengal, someone from Bengal will come and interfere in the workings of the party. But it has been made abundantly clear yesterday also by the Honourable Chairperson that the affairs of the state will be run by the party in the state itself and not by any outside interference. So that should be made clear. But regarding the chief minister candidate, even yesterday she said, it is up to us to decide. The leadership issue will not be there for the simple reason, as president of the party, it is my responsibility to guide the party and take it forward. That is why we have all in different areas, zones, we have a vice presidents, we have a general secretaries, we have conveners, convening team, we have the presidents of the blocks. It is a cumulative effort that will bring us together to win the elections. Passed a resolution in the House, which was unanimously supported by all political parties, that the ILP should be implemented in the state. So that has gone now to the central government. It is the duty of the government to follow it up.
There is a statement from Deputy CM saying that Mukul Sangma and your government, previous government, did not want ILP in the state.
No, that is his opinion. If it was not there, then why would he pass a resolution? It was signed by all political parties. The entire state was privy to that. The doors are always open for anybody to come and join, whether you're an MLA or an MDC or just a party worker also. In fact, I would say the rejuvenation of the party or the perception of the general public towards our party has been growing ever since the month of June, when Mr. Abhishek Banerjee came and inaugurated this office and had a general public meeting at State Central Library, Kusotha. So from then on, the people are starting to understand the ideologies of this party. Therefore, they feel that this party can work better for the betterment of the state. Yes, the coming of Honorable Chairperson Mamata Banerjee has added a fillip to that. We want, for us it is a priority, and even if you don't get the full list, you will get the majority of the list will come out.
So by December,
we want to have it before Christmas, because after that, as you know, it is not because we are dilly-dallying. The election code of conduct will also kick in the first week of January. I mean, that's what we've been made to understand. Therefore, it will be important for all political parties, including us, that we do not delay the declaration of the candidates for all the 60 constituencies.
Haba jubab halor ka jingmi seng jong ba HM Shang pliang na TMC bat penyaso bat ka seng BJP uloong bakim la ban bat yo ubriu balakwa ban mi bat let penyaso bat ki wei ki seng ki ban ai jing man to yo ushimen.
Is it a question of holding on to him or not holding on to him or her? If the person decides that they feel that joining a different political party is more beneficial to the person concerned, who are we to stop?
Habakran halor usaket gokhali uba Charles Pingrup loong ba ka e ka ba gokhali ukran halor ka jingbam sap ka sarkar MDA kala ban long ka bashisha namar ba gokhali hulayathu ba udan yiki jing shisha.
Mr. Saket Gokhale has brought up these issues after he has scrutinized all the documents that were available to him and in the domain, whereby he has said that whatever he has said is based on true facts and not fiction. Therefore, obviously, if it's coming from facts, the party's stand will always support him.
So the government has gone overboard, that means filing case against the spokesperson.
No, they are free. This is an independent country. You can do what you want. The court of law is available to everyone. So if they feel like they should file a case against him to counter his claims, they are most welcome.